little friends. Today, we will learn fruits. Apple. This is an apple. Apple. This is an orange. Orange. This is a banana. Banana. This is a strawberry. Strawberry. These are grapes. Grapes. This is a pineapple. Pineapple. This is a watermelon. Watermelon. Wow! This is a mango. This is a mango. Mango. This is a pear. Pear. This is a cherry. This is a coconut. This is a kiwi. This is a lemon. This is a lemon. This is a peach. This is a raspberry. This is a plum. This is a pomegranate. This is a melon. This is an avocado. Great job, little friends! Today we learned fruits.